Today, we're diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated wearables of 2025, the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Yes, Apple is planning a monumental year filled with groundbreaking technology, from the iPhone 17 lineup to M5 chip-powered MacBooks. But perhaps the most intriguing of all is the major upgrade coming to its rugged smartwatch, the Apple Watch Ultra 3. This will be the first true update to the Apple Watch Ultra line in nearly 2 years. And if the leaks, rumors, and industry whispers are to be believed, it's shaping up to be a game-changer in the smartwatch world. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 isn't just another iteration. It's being positioned as a next-generation health and adventure tool designed to take fitness, health tracking, outdoor use, and smartwatch performance to a whole new level. Although Apple has kept official details under wraps, multiple sources, including reports from Bloomberg's trusted insider Mark Gurman, have provided a wealth of insight into what we might see. Let's break it all down, piece by piece, so you can see just how exciting the Apple Watch Ultra 3 might be. From advanced health features like hypertension detection, to a powerful new S11 chipset, satellite communication, and stunning display technology, there's a lot to cover. So, grab your coffee, and let's get into everything we know about the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 3 and why 2025 might just be Apple's biggest smartwatch leap yet. New era of health monitoring, hypertension detection, and proactive wellness. One of the most compelling features reportedly coming to the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is hypertension detection, something Apple has been secretly working on for several years. Now, unlike traditional blood pressure monitors that rely on cuffs and external devices, this feature would work by analyzing patterns over time. Instead of giving you specific systolic and diastolic numbers, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 would alert users when trends in their cardiovascular data suggest high blood pressure risks. This would mark a significant milestone in wearable health technology. Right now, the Apple Watch already supports ECG, electrocardiogram capabilities, blood oxygen saturation, SpO2 tracking, and atrial fibrillation alerts. With the addition of hypertension trend detection, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 would be positioned as an essential tool for early diagnosis and proactive intervention, potentially helping users identify serious health concerns before they escalate into dangerous territory. The Ultra 3's approach to health monitoring is about long-term wellness, not just short-term insights. Apple seems to be aligning the Ultra 3 with a growing trend toward continuous background health tracking, empowering users with daily feedback while minimizing disruption. Imagine getting a gentle notification that you might be developing signs of elevated blood pressure before your next doctor's appointment. That's powerful. Keywords: Apple Watch Ultra 3 hypertension detection, health monitoring smartwatch 2025, blood pressure tracking watch, wellness smartwatch Apple, proactive health Apple Watch display revolution, brighter, smarter, and always on now. Let's talk about the screen, because the Apple Watch Ultra 3 display upgrade is expected to be one of its most visually stunning enhancements yet. According to various leaks and analyst reports, Apple plans to integrate its newest LTPO3 OLED Retina display technology into the Ultra 3, making it significantly smoother, more efficient, and brighter than before. This next-gen panel is optimized for always-on display mode, with improved refresh rates that support more fluid animations and potentially even second-by-second motion in certain watch faces. If you're a fan of detailed animated complications or just want your watch to feel more alive, this could be a game-changer. Another exciting improvement: side-angle brightness enhancement. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 might include a wide-angle OLED screen that boosts brightness by up to 40% when viewed from awkward angles. Perfect for those intense outdoor adventures in harsh sunlight. Whether you're hiking up a mountain or cycling under the blazing sun, you'll be able to glance at your watch with complete clarity. Even though the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to retain the core design language that made its predecessor a fan favorite, that bold, rugged form factor, it's also set for some subtle but impactful design refinements. For starters, Apple is reportedly transitioning to a metallic backplate, similar to what we may see on the Apple Watch Series 10. This change isn't just cosmetic, it serves two very functional purposes. First, it improves cellular and GPS reception, giving you more consistent connectivity when you're on the move. Second, it helps facilitate faster charging, thanks to improved thermal conductivity and redesigned internals. Rumors suggest that the Ultra 3 could charge to 80% in just 30 minutes, which is about 15 minutes faster than the current Apple Watch Ultra. Whether you're heading out for a workout or prepping for a full-day trek, that quick top-up time could be a lifesaver. Performance boost with the S11 chipset and efficiency gains under the hood, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to receive a serious performance upgrade with the inclusion of the new S11 chip. This processor is set to improve not only speed and responsiveness, but also power efficiency, meaning longer battery life, smoother operation, and better support for advanced features like health monitoring and satellite connectivity. With the S11 chip, Apple might also be able to free up internal space, possibly paving the way for a larger battery or additional sensors. This opens the door for more advanced health tools and communication options, making the Ultra 3 not just a fitness watch, but a multifunctional smart assistant for your wrist. Whether you're a serious athlete, a tech enthusiast, or someone who just wants their wearable to keep up with a fast-paced lifestyle, the S11 chip could ensure the Ultra 3 delivers seamless, top-tier performance. Game-changing connectivity. Satellite messaging is coming one of the most groundbreaking features. Rumored for the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is satellite messaging. Imagine being able to send emergency texts even when you're completely off the grid. No cellular, no Wi-Fi, no problem. This feature would be especially valuable for outdoor adventurers, hikers, and global travelers who often find themselves in remote regions with limited coverage. In emergencies, the ability to contact emergency services or family members via satellite could literally save lives. Apple introduced basic satellite communication with the iPhone 14 for emergency SOS, and now it appears they're bringing that innovation to the wrist. With the Ultra 3, this feature might be expanded to allow two-way communication in certain scenarios, making it one of the most connected wearables in the world. Battery life and environmental durability. Built-to-last battery life has always been a key focus of the Ultra lineup, and with the Apple Watch Ultra 3, Apple is likely to take things even further. Thanks to the more efficient display and upgraded chipset, we could see multi-day battery life, even with full tracking and display features enabled. Combine that with a more robust titanium or aerospace-grade chassis, and you've got a smartwatch that's not only smarter, but tougher. Apple has designed the Ultra series to withstand extreme environments, and the Ultra 3 is expected to meet or exceed military-grade durability standards for dust, water, shock, and altitude. Whether you're trail running in the rain, snowboarding down icy slopes, or camping in the desert, the Ultra 3 is being designed to stay reliable and readable in all conditions. WatchOS 11, software optimized for adventure. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is also expected to launch with WatchOS 11, bringing new software enhancements tailored specifically for extreme athletes and outdoor lovers. These could include advanced compass features, offline topographic maps, expanded workout tracking for climbing and water sports, and improved health notifications for stress, sleep, and recovery. With WatchOS 11, Apple may also refine Siri integration for offline use, offering more voice command functionality even when your watch isn't connected to the internet. Think of it as a truly independent, intelligent, wearable companion.